Hey, just going through the program one more time. I created the upload roster underneath the admin functions. Let me get these smaller real quick. Admin functions. Where's the other one? Upload roster. It's going to be right here. And here's the upload roster here. First, I'll go ahead and start by showing you my file directory. So I have 4 new files now. There's roster first name, which is our couple first names. We've got 3 users there. Here's our IDs, our last names, and the roster user quota that's for each user. Couldn't think of an easier way to combine all these text files into one and just upload it all at once, but this seemed like the easiest way to do it really quick. I could just copy and paste this same stuff 4 times, and it'll read from each of these files. But I'll go ahead and start by opening the server and the client. Get the client there, server here. Okay, we'll start by entering our username, admin, password. Go ahead and to upload a roster, we're going to want to enter command 12. So when we go do that, it's going to say selected upload roster, enter file name, for first name, roster. So we go ahead and enter roster underscore first name dot text. So now it's going to ask us to enter the file name for the last name roster. We're just going to do that for each one. For ID roster, roster underscore ID dot text. And file name for storage quota. So that's going to be roster underscore UQ, because user quota dot text. Now it says rosters were added to cloud users, and the users were added from roster. So now if we go ahead and hit 2, you can see that the selected users, you selected to list all users, and here are all the users that were in the text files. Okay, and now I also wanted to show you when we log out, so that's going to be with 6, enter the username. So now we're going to log in as me, because now I'm a new user. Password, first time's going to be password. Welcome user, what would you like to do? Want to upload a new file. You selected upload file to cloud drive. Enter file name. It's going to be test0.txt. If you remember, I don't know if you watched the previous video, but the test 0 is test hello world, and test 1 is computer networking homework 3. So what I'm going to try to do is write to these 2 empty files, write 0 and write 1. These are currently empty. Okay. So we want to enter file name to upload test0.txt. File was successfully uploaded to cloud drive, and you can see the file added was test hello world. Go ahead and enter 9 again to upload another file. And this time it's going to be test1.txt. File was uploaded, and you can see it right here. Go ahead and show a list of the files. They're right here. Test hello world and computer networking homework 3. This is the first file. This is the second one. Now we wanted to download one of these files now. Hit 10. Enter the digit. Which file would you like to download? First file is going to be 0, second file 1, third file 2, and fourth file 3, and so on. But we're going to want to download Computer Networking Homework 3, the second file, which is going to be a 1. What would you like to save this file as? We're going to save it to write0.txt. Okay? And now it's going to say the file was successfully downloaded to write0.txt. And you can see here that write0 was updated just a few seconds ago. And if we go ahead and click on it, it's going to say Computer Networking Homework 3. So that successfully transferred the contents from test1 text to the server, back from the server into the write0 text file. And I think that's everything. All the other functions are working, like the change passwords, the remove users. If we want, we can go back and actually remove one of the users. Like, let's see, 11, enter username, admin, password, because we didn't change it yet. Now, our users that we currently have are these three, right? Now, if we go ahead and remove one of the users, I'm going to remove myself from the list. So, Brendan Farnquist, receiver 526, and the quota was 50. Okay, the user has been removed from the list, and now if we go to head over to list users again, it only shows the two users. Okay.